Simphiwe Ngema set to go back to work after giving birth. Simphiwe Ngema announces plan to resume work after 6 months of leave. Taking to social media, the actress announced her readiness and summarized all she's learned during the months she stayed back home for her baby and baby daddy. Almost time to go back to work. I've been blessed to have had a whole 6 months at home with my son. I have newly found respect for mothers. I'm learning so much, and I'm enjoying every moment. Even the difficult moments, because my love for him makes it all worth it. Despite being the household name for Rhythm City for years, Mduduzi Mabaso, who plays Suffocating Lovu, has switched allegiance to Stained Glass Media. Last year, Mzansi was left in distress after ETV announced the shocking cancellation of Rhythm City slated for earlier this year.